Okay, guys, Melissa here. So I am just finishing my exercise. You can look at my videos. I'm going to get a walk in now. Try to get a walk in every day that the weather is somewhat nice. Or even, I've even walked in the cold. I've done winter hiking, but take a special advantage of the nice days. So I just talked to a church in New Hampshire. All is good. Unity is really important, guys. Having unity because people like to come in like Kevin Leandro and start trouble. So make sure that you keep the unity. I decided to watch Gabe Bolt's video again because the guy is smart and I love to learn. I'm someone like him who loves to learn and work at things. So, one of his ideas I loved, I'm going to incorporate today into my life. And just get along with people as much as you can, guys. Just get along with people. So I'll probably take a couple videos down about the church just because I like to get along with people. I do. I always have. I get along with almost everybody in life. If somebody starts trouble with me, wants to talk about me in a negative way or talk to me in a negative way, I am not afraid to dish it back out. So I have every right to defend myself, every single right to defend myself against unjust accusations. Uh, accusations that just are not true, things that are not fair. I have that right to be treated well and to be respected. And we see a lot of girls now. I mean, I watched the Super Bowl last night, lots of stupid commercials, right? But I did notice a thread of respecting girls. So many times people think because you're a woman, they can disrespect you or give men more work, it's true, or give men more respect just the fact that they're a man, and that is not true. So I will be walking. Join me over there. I've got some things to do. I've got some classes to get on. Even though I'm on break, we have homework. We have about 8 videos plus homework, so I'll just bring my stuff with me and get some stuff done today. So I love to be productive, and I also love to hang out and just do nothing too. Like last night, me and my sons were watching the Super Bowl together. I love hanging out with my guys. I was talking to one of my friends and she's like, she's like, I'm a very young at heart mom. Same thing here, very young at heart. She's like, I enjoy hanging around with the younger people. Same thing, and she talked about how she does a lot of her stuff to give what she has back to the younger generation. And that is what you want to do. So when I was on Gabe's channel, I was, giving back to the community, giving back with what I had to share and investing, in a channel that is giving back to the youth. So that's something that I did. And I do it too with women. This is why I'm in the circles of helping moms be able to raise their kids up well because I am investing in that younger generation. And if you don't give it away when you're older, it just dies, right? All the knowledge you've gotten, all the wisdom, it just goes. So you want to help the younger generation. You want to invest in them. You want to give them your life experiences and your stories. So that's what my channel is about here. Just continually investing as I learn from other people. And I've always had mentors in my life. Mentors are awesome. So even in this class I'm taking, people are coming in, special speakers will have, and they are giving all their knowledge to us so that it can spread. And that's how you build. That's how you build community. That's how you build strong, solid lives, right? So that's what I got for now, guys. Okay, thanks for joining me.